Hello guys, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to wax your underarm area, how to get rid of every single hair in there without shaving, and I'm also gonna share with you benefit of waxing. So guys, because of this video I had to allow my underarm area to grow a little bit for proper illustration, so you guys can actually see how this actually works. Alright guys, so without saying much, let's jump right into this video. The first thing I'm gonna be needing is 1 cup of water. Next, I'm going to be adding half cup of sugar. I'm going to go ahead and give it a very nice stir. The next thing I'm going to be needing is lemon. One thing I want you to know about this wax is that it can remove hair in every area of your body. Even if you want to wax your whole body, this will be also good for you, and you can also preserve it. Like this quantity I'm making, I can preserve it anytime I want to use it. All I need to do is to microwave it and my wax will be 100% ready again. So this should be equivalent to 2 tablespoons. So guys, I'm gonna go heat this up on fire. So you have to keep stirring it till it becomes golden brown. This is the end result of it. It's supposed to look coffee brown like this. Don't allow it get darker than this. So you have to allow it cool down a little bit. The more it gets cold, the more it gets thicker and better for you. This wax is good for hair removal because it sticks right onto your skin and then pulls it up in a gentle and mild way and get rid of every single hair in the process. So the first thing I'm going to be needing to aid the hair removal is baby powder. So I'm going to go ahead and massage it right in before waxing. One of the very many benefits of waxing is that it removes hair from the root and make it more thinner and sparser. Guys, this is the hair that was removed. The sticky nature of this wax makes it remove hair better and easier, so here I had to apply it directly on the hair, so you can see how I'm removing it right now. See how it's coming out. With Brazilian waxing, you might not need to shave for 3 to 4 weeks. That's one of the amazing benefits of waxing. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.